In this video, I'll guide you through how to export properties and view a property's historical data in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to get a clean file you can work with outside of HubSpot. First, let's start from your main HubSpot dashboard. To access the area where properties live, you'll need to open your settings. Look toward the top of your screen for the gear icon in the main navigation bar. This gear icon is your shortcut into all of HubSpot's configuration options. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the settings page. Once you're in settings, we're going to head to the section where all your data fields or properties are managed. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar with different categories. From there, navigate to the data management section. Under data management, click on properties. This will open a page that lists all of the properties available in your HubSpot account. On this properties page, you'll see a table of fields for objects like contacts, companies, deals, and more, depending on your setup and permissions. This is essentially your property library. From here, you can review which fields exist, how they're used, and what type of data they store. It's also the starting point for exporting a list of all these properties so you can analyze them in another tool. To export everything, look towards the top right corner of the properties page. You should see a button labeled Export All Properties. This button does exactly what it sounds like. It allows you to download a file that includes all current properties in your portal. Go ahead and click the Export All Properties button. As soon as you click it, HubSpot will prompt you to choose the format for your export file. You'll typically see options like CSV or Excel. If you're planning to open the file in spreadsheet software such as Excel or Google Sheets, either format will work. But here are a few tips to help you decide. CSV files are simple, widely compatible, and great if you're moving data into other systems or databases. Excel files are often more convenient if you're doing analysis directly in Microsoft Excel because they support formatting, filters, and formulas out of the box. Select the file format that best fits how you plan to use the data. Take a moment to think about whether you'll be sharing this file with others or importing it into another platform, and pick the option that will be easiest for your workflow. Once you've made your choice, confirm it by clicking Export. HubSpot will now prepare your export. Depending on the size of your property library and the number of custom fields you've created, this can take a little time. When the export is ready, you'll be able to download the file and open it on your computer. Inside, you'll find each property listed, along with details such as the internal name, field type, and other configuration information. This exported file is what you'll use to review or compare property details over time, giving you a clear picture of how your data structure has evolved. That's all there is to it. You've opened settings, navigated to data management and properties, used the Export All Properties button, and chosen the right format so you can work with your property data outside of HubSpot.